Welcome back to this video tutorial on iPageStudio. This tutorial is for developers. So if you run a business or starting a business where you're going to be selling web services to local businesses or any business for that matter, this video is for you. So the idea is to create some demo sites to be able to show your prospects. And fortunately, with iPageStudios, we develop templates to make it super easy for you to put together demo sites to show your prospects so they can see exactly the type of site that you can build for them. And I would suggest you create a demo site for a few niches that you're going to target. So let's look at, for example, garages. So there's many garages in every city, every town, and a lot of them have very poor websites, and many are still not mobile responsive. So this is what you would do. You'll come into your account, you'll create a new page, you'll call it, for example, Demo Garage, and list it under one of your campaigns. Remember, the campaigns are only for your benefit, not for anyone else's, so that you can keep them neatly in sort of folders. You'll then click on Business and Services, and you'll see actually the garage one is the first one. So let's take that one, scroll down and create website. Okay, now the website is created. We don't need to do anything unless you want to change any of the logos or the look and feel of the site. But most of the time you don't need to do anything. All you have to do is click Save and then click Publish. Okay, now the site is ready to be a demo site. But of course, you don't want to show them the iPageStudio. And what you can do is create a subdomain on your website and point that at the demo site. So let me show you how I'm going to do that. The first thing we do is come here and we'll go to website settings. Now under general, if you want to, you can change that name, but it doesn't really matter. We can, for our purposes, I would suggest you just leave it as it is. So in order to get that whole domain, the easiest way to get this is to come to the options, click the QR code, and just copy that URL. Okay, now we're going to go into your domain company, wherever you bought the domain, and create a masked URL redirect. So I'm going to pause now and come back in a second in my GoDaddy account. Okay, I'm in my GoDaddy account. You'll select your domain. You'll then go to forward domain, and here where it says subdomain, click that, and you'll add subdomain forwarding. So you'll click this. You'll put in here the name that you're going to give the subdomain. So let's say it will be garage. Yeah. It will then show you how the domain is going to look, and here you're going to paste in the URL that you just picked up from your iPageStudio. And down here, this is quite important, you don't want to forward only, you want to forward with masking. Now because this is just a demo site, you don't need to worry about putting in title descriptions and so forth, but you could put in garage demo, but the rest are not important because you're not really trying to get SEO for this particular thing. And then you just click add. I'm not going to do that in this case. And once you've done that, then whenever all you have to do is point someone to that URL, which would be the garage.yourdomain.com, and they're going to see your your demo website on iPageStudio, but they won't see iPageStudio. Okay, I hope that's all clear. Now there is another way of doing it. So if your domain is on another server where you're hosting your website, you can also do the same thing there. So it's very easy, and I would suggest that you set up, as I say, 1 or 2 demo sites in niches that you're going to focus on, and then focus on those businesses in your area. Okay, I hope that all makes sense and you found it useful. If you have any queries, remember you can contact us on the support desk at any time, and we'll be more than happy to help. Okay, thanks very much for watching.